Welcome to Matt's Metalworking. In this video, I'll be showing you what I think is the best hand oilers money can buy. If you have any recommendations, please be sure to drop them in the comments below. The oil cans I have here are made by Reilang, a company which I believe has been around since the 1940s and specialize in fluid pumps. Dare I say the Rolls Royce of oiler cans. They are one of, or perhaps the most expensive oiler cans money can buy, but with that being said, certainly hasn't skimped out on the quality. The two I have here are the same. The model numbers for these are R001-103, which have a single pump. The other model number I am unsure of, as it's been around for probably 10 years, and I honestly have no idea where it came from. These can be used on both oil and synthetic lubricants. For the most part, they have a aluminum construction with some brass components found on the pump portion and are made in Switzerland. And we all know the Swiss makes great quality products, especially chocolate. The first model, these have a fixed pickup. Depending on the orientation of the oil, when you're low on fluid inside, this may not be able to disperse the fluid. The rotational pickups are at an added cost. These are available in a variety of sizes. The two I have is 200 milliliter capacity, while the other one has a 300 milliliter capacity. They include a 3-year warranty. These are a serviceable oiler, so if something fails, new replacement parts can be purchased. This includes anything from gaskets, service kits, tips, and even other attachments, such as a brush or flexible tip. I have used these cans in both hot and cold weather conditions for a maximum of 35 degrees Celsius or 95 degrees Fahrenheit to as low as minus 25 degrees Celsius or minus 13 degrees Fahrenheit. Even with the difference in temperature, the oilers don't seep in extreme heat. The pump action and operation is always consistent regardless of the temperature. For the two smaller oilers, they are using a synthetic hydraulic and gear fluids, while the third one uses a water-soluble cutting fluid. These are heavy for a hand oiler. The cast aluminum bottle appears to be very rugged and won't rust compared to a steel bottle. If they do fall over, the fluid won't dump out either, and they're also equipped with a small loop for easy storage. These can be tough to source out online, as not all industrial suppliers source items like this. I am in Canada and did order these through eBay from a German retailer. While these do have a higher purchase price, I personally think these are worth it, and that's coming from a person who prefers quality over quantity. And most importantly, these can be used for professionals in the field or hobbyists at home. This concludes the rest of my video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to leave a comment below and throw a like my way. Don't forget to subscribe to my metalworking channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.